Good morning, beautiful people. Happy Thursday. Kalahati na naman ang taon, ang week. Kumusta ang buhay? Kumusta? It's 11:47 a.m. po dito sa Ontario, Canada. Good morning, good evening. Oh, parang naa-aching ako. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Kung saan man po kayo sa mundo, I hope you are healthy, you are happy, you are having fun, enjoying life. Maulan po dito sa amin. Maulan na Thursday. Pauwi pa lang po ako. Good morning. It's Tita here. Always shout out sa aking mga followers diyan. Maraming salamat, mapabago, mapaluma. Ay talagang ina-appreciate ko kayo guys. Oh, thank you. I have 1 million viewers right away. Thank you. But anyhow, yeah, just touching base with you guys. Oh, medyo, bakit na paano ang aking boses? Para ngayon lang ito nag-start. But anyhow, stranded tayo. Merong construction, kaya napahinto tayo. But anyhow, touching base with you guys, nilagay ko po diyan sa aking caption is the hardest part is to start, and most people don't even start, right? I'm talking about again my conversation with a lot of people. Just this morning it was just a crazy conversation. So yeah, so most people, even if they like it, even if they like what they see, because mostly of the people that have seen the webinar, if I ask them, do you like what you saw? What are your thoughts? Do you think this business will work for you? Like all of those things, right? And they would say, Lorna, thank you for watching. They would say, yes, I love it, and then all of a sudden we'll say, Nelmi, thank you for watching. All of a sudden they would say, but you know what? I don't have the money to start. Okay. First of all, yes, it's a legitimate business, so there is an investment involved. Okay, I always say that. Lynn, thank you for watching. Yes, thank you guys. Yeah, so anyhow, it's any business. It doesn't matter if it's online business, traditional business. Dapat meron talagang puhunan. Don't believe anybody that tell you that there is no investment involved. No. Because first of all, that should be a red flag. For me, it's a red flag. How would you earn money if you don't kung hindi kayo maglalabas ng puhunan, right? So merong nakatagong diyan, may hidden agenda yan. I would say na merong hidden agenda yan. So it's either na merong magiging monthly na quota na kailangan yung i-achieve, or merong monthly na meron yan. Hindi pwedeng wala. Because think about it. If you're going to start a business, there should be an investment. If people will tell you there's no investment, don't believe them. It's a scam. Because first of all, yeah, how would you earn? Paano ka kikita kung hindi ka maglabas ng puhunan? Merong hidden agenda yan. Right? There must be a hidden agenda. All they have to do is to hook you in, and then when you're there, then you will find out everything. Right? Rosario, thank you for watching. That is most of the thing that's going to happen. So that's why there's a lot of people na bibiktima ng scam, because they're attracted to all these promises. They're attracted na, all you have to do is to do this, share this one, share that one, and pindutin mo yan, and you will earn money. Ellen, thank you for watching. No, it's not. Legitimate business, you have to work for it. Anything. Kahit na anong gawin mo, kahit na magbenta ka ng taho, maglalabas ka ng puhunan, you work for it, ilalako mo yan. What do you call it? Right? So anything wag na wag maniwala sa mga promises na walang puhunan, hindi ka magtatrabaho. What? That's why so many people get scammed. Because they're attracted to this easy money. That's what it is. Right. Whereas if you're going to start a business, of course, you have to have an investment. You have to grow. Because let's say if you don't learn anything in that business, what is that? Right? You have to grow. You have to learn something. Right? So, yeah, so nilagay ko po diyan is the hardest part is to start, because most people yun yung pipigil sa kanila. That's their blockage. That's their own thinking. Naniniwala sa other people, sa outside na mga critics. Naniniwala, hindi nagbe-base doon kung ano yung pakiramdam nila, kung ano yung nararamdaman nila. Nelmy, thank you for watching. Kung ano yung gut feeling nila. Yan ang paniniwalaan mo, huwag yung ibang tao. Ikaw mismo. Because first of all, if you don't move, you'll stay stuck in where you are, right? Walang tutulong sa'yo. Sinong magbabayad sa bills mo? Ikaw pa rin. Diba? So, bakit mo pakikinggan yung ibang tao? Hindi ka naman tutulungan yan. Diba? So, yeah. So, kaya ako sinasabi diyan na the hardest part is to start. Most people doesn't even start, even if they know they saw the potential, they saw the webinar, at talagang hesitant na mag-move forward to find out everything for themselves, nakikinig sa mga sabi-sabi ng mga tao, which is hindi naman totoo. The best part to find out, Mitch, thank you for watching. The best part to find out is you go in yourself. Huwag maniwala sa mga sabi-sabi, because first of all, yun nga, hindi sila ang magtatrabaho, ikaw. Hindi ka nila tutulungan kung nalubog ka sa utang. Ikaw pa rin mismo. So why would you, Christina, thank you for, dami you guys, thank you for tuning in. Why would you listen to people? Listen to what your inner voice or what your gut feeling is saying. Sometimes you just have to to cover your ears and don't pay attention to your outside world. And yeah, kaya sinasabi ko yan because I was talking to someone this morning, and she reached out to me. Again, I have talked to her I believe a few months ago. So she saw the webinar, and then she was saying that, this is nice, but I don't have the investment, and so we we did not touch base for a long time. And then this morning she popped up and is like, how are you, blah blah blah, and I said I'm good. And then she says, why don't you join my business? There's no investment. What? And then she told me what kind of business that. I said, I know what kind of business you are in. I know it. That is one kind of business that it will just show up for few years. Because the mentality is this. Most people are thinking that what we are doing is networking, traditional networking business, wherein you will the traditional one na magi-invite ka. Isay, thank you for watching. Nelmy, Christina, thank you. Appreciate you guys. Thank you na sinasamahan niyo ako. Thank you. Yeah, so nasara tayo. Kasi tawag noon, yun nga, sabi niya, kaya siya hindi nag-move forward because she saw na merong investment. And she was listening to this other friend. She told me before that, my friend is that saying to me that she has a business and that there's no investment involved. I said, no. Like if that no, I won't trust that kind of business. I won't trust that kind of talking. No. So obviously she joined that business. So now she wants me to join her business. And I already know the company that she's in. So I said to her, no, I know what kind of business you are in, and I know the company, right? So this is one of the company. Christine, thank you for watching. This is the type of company that will just pop up good for a few years and then it will be gone for 3, 4, 5 years, like, you know, but like, you know, it's her choice, right? But I said to her, good for you, you're there, okay? If you're happy, you're enjoying it, good for you. But no, you can't convince me to join you. Never. Never. Because I know that like, you know, I know my business. I know that there are lots, because this is the mentality of people. They say, oh, networking, traditional networking. Yun palagi ang nasa isip. Traditional networking wherein kung sino yung nauna, sila yung kikita ng malaki. No. That kind of networking ay tatagal lang yan. 3, 5, 6, 7 years, mga ganon. So the reason our system works, we've been using this system for 9 years, and every single year we beat our record. Meros, thank you for watching. We beat our record from last year, so that means our trend is going upward, not downward. The reason being is that the system that we're using is different. Pwede kang kumita ng mas malaki kaysa sa akin kahit na nauna pa ako sa'yo. Because it's not, our business model is not that the one on the top will be getting paid first, but the one in the bottom. So, meaning to say, if you are a hard worker, if you join the business, even if you just join me like months, like, you know, you could earn, I've seen people that started a business and in 4 months, 5 months, they are already earning 5 figures. Because you know why? They focus on the business. Hello po, hello. They focus on the business and work hard. Okay? I'm not saying that this is an easy get rich. No. Get rich quick. No. So, work. You have to work hard. You have to work hard and treat it like a business. Right? It's the same way. It's the same way in our job, right? We don't go to work, we don't get paid. Sino sa inyo dyan ang binabayaran habang wala kayo, hindi kayo pumapasok? Right? The only way na binabayaran tayo na habang hindi tayo pumapasok if we're filing our vacation, if we have vacation days. Right? Other than that, no. So it's the same way. The same way. You don't work on your business, you won't get you won't get money, right? You won't get paid. It's the same concept. The same. And however, because it's a business, then you're the boss. You're the boss. It's a business. There's an investment. You have to learn the in and out of the business, because if you don't, how would people believe you? Right? How would people join you if you don't know what to say to them? Although dito po sa amin is meron kaming mentor at coach. So merong yun ang maganda dito sa amin, because you're not going to be on your own. You have support. You have community support. You have your mentors, you have your coach. Marami. But yun nga ang sinasabi ko, the hardest part is yung mga tao na they don't even start. And even some people who have started na hindi nagtuloy-tuloy. Bakit? Because pag nahirapan na, titigil ka agad. As opposed na magpakasipag para tawag nun, para talagang matutunan kung ano yung ang in and out ng business, tumigil na. Right? So, bottom line, talagang nasa sa atin yun. Nasa sa atin yun kung paano natin palaguin ang ating sarili, paano natin palaguin ang pamumuhay natin. Chushi, thank you for watching. Kung paano natin palaguin yan. So, yes. So, pinaka challenge talaga is how to start. But most people that in my experience, most people na talagang hesitant na mag-start, even if nakita nila na okay sa kanila, nakita nila ang potential ng business, but they are listening to outside, like, you know, sa mga tao na nagsusulsol sa kanila. Right? Instead of listening to themselves, instead of believing doon sa nakita nila, instead of listening to what their gut feeling said to them, nakikinig sila sa outside world. So that is why it's hard to start kung pakikinggan mo ang mga tao. But if you really think about it, if you put it into your head na why would I listen to them? They want to help me. They want, like, you know, people are just like, they're good if you are helping them. Like, sad to say, but yan ang tawag nun? Yan ang mentality ng iba. Patalinghog. Patalinghog, yes. Yes. Right? Yan ang mentality. Mia, thank you for watching. Thank you, Vilma, thank you. Yes, so, yan ang mentality. But if you really think about it, like, ask yourself, kung ako ay maghihirap, sino ang tutulong sa akin? Sino ang magbabayad ng bills ko? Sino magpapaaral ng anak ko? Sino, you know, it all comes back to you. Ikaw pa rin. Diba? So why would you listen to other people? Diba? So I hope it makes sense, guys. But anyhow, lagi ko namang ang aking sa inyo is I always share na mga experience ko because I think it helps me. You know? It helps me, and I'm hoping that it will help you as well. Darlina, thank you for watching. And yeah, because again, hindi yung ibang tao ang tawag nun, hindi sila ang may hawak sa buhay mo. Ikaw pa rin. At the end of the day, you are the decision maker. Nasa sa iyo ang susi, di ba? So yeah, I hope it makes sense, guys. And yeah, so listen to yourself. Kung makita nyo, if maybe some of you have already seen the webinar, some of you have checked out my page, some of you have asked me questions before, I don't know, right? Because I talk to a lot of people. So maybe some of you na nakakita na kung ano yung potential ng business, but there's still something that's holding you back. I always say, listen to yourself. Because at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin yun. Ikaw ang gagawa, hindi sila. Right? Hindi yung ibang tao. So listen to yourself. Mary Jane, thank you for watching. Listen to what your gut feeling is saying to you. If you see the potential, then go for it. Don't pay attention to other people because other people won't help you. Pag naghihirap ka, hindi sila tutulong sa iyo. Right? So do something that like do what yourself is saying to you. Kung ano yung sinasabi ng gut feeling mo, do it. Right? So yeah, so anyhow, I hope hindi kayo yung katulad ng ibang tao na listening to a lot of people. No. Because at the end of the day, we could not please everybody. No. Even family natin, we cannot. Iba-iba pa rin tayo kahit magkadugo, iba-iba pa rin tayo ng perspective sa buhay. Right? Iba-iba pa rin tayo. So, Rosie, thank you. Thank you for watching. Wow, ang dami you guys. Thank you. Maraming salamat. I appreciate you all. Mga followers ko, thank you. Darlina, thank you. Maraming salamat doon sa mga nag-i-engage sa aking mga posts, doon sa mga nag-share sa aking mga posts. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Appreciate every one of you. But I hope it makes sense. So if you would like more information doon sa mga sinasabi ko about the business na kung ano yung pinopost ko, again, my website is in my business page. Mag-sign up lang po kayo with your name and email address at ang aming back office na po ang bahala na magpapadala sa inyo ng information na kailangan nyo. So I hope na hindi kayo yung katulad ng ibang tao na even if you see the potential of the business, still you let other people hold you back. No. I hope you're not that kind of person. But anyhow, feel free to ask questions. I hope na na-inspire ko kayo guys, and yeah, so anyhow, thank you again. Maraming salamat, and hindi na po ako magtatagal. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your Thursday leading to the weekend, and be safe, be happy, stay healthy.